My name is Fiza Ismail, and I would like to present to you Reddit Reimagined. The Reddit mobile app is often criticized for being too cluttered and has poor features compared to the desktop version. It is often confusing for new users to understand and navigate through. The main page of the mobile app isn't customizable and often shows posts that users aren't interested in. For those new users, it can be a challenge to find relevant subreddits. Another con about the mobile app is that the notifications can be difficult to manage, especially for the users following multiple subreddits. Some of the Reddit's competitors are Quora, X, or formerly known as Twitter, and Imgur. Some of Reddit's strengths are that it has a highly engaging user base, a vast array of subreddits, innovative voting systems for said content. Some weaknesses of Reddit are that there is a poor mobile interface, difficulty in managing subreddits, and it is not often easy to learn for new users. Here is the problem statement for Reddit. Reddit's desktop version is great at encouraging community involvement, but its mobile app suffers from a disorganized user interface, poor content discovery, and overbearing notification management. Finding relevant materials or subreddits is difficult for new users, due to the need for an easy onboarding process. The usability and accessibility of the mobile app are lacking, which makes it challenging for users to browse, handle notifications, and manage and maintain engagement. Here is the vision statement. Our vision is to work on Reddit's mobile app to make it easier to use and more intuitive. Through interface simplification, enhanced content discovery, and notification management made easier, we want to encourage more meaningful community involvement from both new and returning users. Usability, customization, and accessibility will be given top priority in the revamped interface to make sure that every user can easily engage and find subreddits that are most important to them. Here we have what I created my mood board on the left. And from that said mood board, I have pulled out 4 color combination palettes, which is shown on the right. I believe that these color combinations work well together and will heed user engagement, accessibility, and readability, all while representing the social media aspect. These color palettes were created with color psychology in mind, which would help improve the app's usability and aesthetic appeal. I designed the visual elements, icons, progress bars, and layout with consistency and user affordance in mind. Each icon follows a simple, clear style to ensure visibility at all sizes. For example, the Create icon features a pencil and a plus sign, reinforcing its function for submitting posts. The stroke weights, rounded edges, and dimensions remain uniform to establish a cohesive visual language. The color palette with magenta and cyan enhances affordance by distinguishing between active and idle states. For the progress bar in the user profile, a cyan to magenta transition visually reinforces task completion, keeping users engaged. For my voting system, I designed an upvote and downvote icons using arrows inside of a heart to clearly convey their function. The loading visual incorporates a rotating gradient around Reddit's icon, moving from dark purple to magenta. The grid system I have constructed for my Reddit app redesign is designed to ensure clarity, consistency, and usability across all displays. The grid has a 4-column style layout with uniform spaced horizontal rows, making it adaptable to a variety of different content types, all while maintaining a clear visual hierarchy. Here we have persona Sarah, her easy onboarding process. The structure strikes a balance between flexibility for dynamic content and unified layout that users can easily navigate. Here we have the progress bars, the loading visual, and the symbols in their corresponding spots. Throughout her easy onboarding process, I ensured that the integration of the icons and progress indicators are well within the grid system and that they were consistent all across the displays. The structure strikes a balance between flexibility for dynamic content and a unified layout that users can easily navigate. The layout design provides a pleasant user experience by incorporating a flexible yet disciplined grid structure which guides attention through clear alignment and grouping. Here we can see James's task flow whole structure encourages a dynamic content, enhances readability, reliability, and maintains a professional appearance, making Reddit's app both practical and visually appealing. Throughout this whole design, the rounded forms and simplicity of the design mirrors the best of what Reddit has to offer. Whether someone is a seasoned moderator or a new user exploring their first community, the design should feel relatable and engaging. Here we can see the new feature of the Reddit Reimagined app, where I have included a pop-up tab that comes up when you click on the profile's name, and it shows their most popular posts, their roles, their bio, and if you want to join, you're able to. For me, Reddit has always been a space where diverse voices come together, and I wanted that branding to reflect that inclusivity. This revamp is more than simply a logo. It's about embracing Reddit's identity. This approach, I believe, keeps the platform's quirky and original personality while providing the clarity and cohesion required to succeed in today's digital landscape. I appreciate you guys for listening. Thank you so much. And you can find my contact information here. Emails fismail2@art.edu. Phone number is 865-684-0424.